Hello students, today we are going to focus on this organic question which was given in 2025 January first shift, morning shift. You see this, they have taken nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is treated with different reagents and finally they got product A. And they are asking about the molecular mass or molar mass of the formed product A. They are asking. So here nitrobenzene first they treated with what SN plus HCl, that means reduction. So nitrobenzene first involving in the reduction. So this then it involves in the reduction and it is converting into aniline. You all know very well aniline. NO2 is converted as like a NH2 aniline. So next this aniline treated with what? NaNO2 HCl at 0 degrees Celsius. You all know very well, generally 0 degrees Celsius we treat with. So if you conduct diazotization, what you are getting here? Benzene diazonium chloride. So first two reagents reaction completed. So here in the first two reagents, here nitrobenzene is converted into aniline. Aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride. Next, this benzene diazonium chloride they treated with Cu2Cl2, which means Sandmeyer's reaction. In the Sandmeyer reaction, what is happening here? This diazonium group here converted into Cl or changed to Cl. That means chlorobenzene is formed. Okay, in the third step, we are getting chlorobenzene. So these three reactions are belongs to what amines lesson. Okay, so next step is very interesting step. They treated with sodium in the presence of dry ether or ether, simply they have given ether. So we should take it as like a dry ether. So now when you treat the sodium in dry ether, here that is, these all are, I said this one is a chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene means it is involving in the Fittig reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. You all know very well Wurtz reactions are how many types? 3 types. Last type, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Have you got it or not? So in the Wurtz-Fittig reaction, finally what you are getting here, you see this biphenyls you are getting. That means here you should take 2 moles. If you take 2 moles, it is involving in the Wurtz-Fittig reaction and it is converting into biphenyls. So up to here organic. Now here you see they are asking about what is the molar mass of biphenyl. So the molar mass of exact molar mass of biphenyl is 154.21 grams per mole, but approximately which is equal to 154. So that 154 is our answer. Have you got it? If you have doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.